All of you. Today we are going to discuss land or soil pollution. In today's lecture, we are start definition and source of soil pollution. So, before to start soil pollution, we want to know about what is a soil. Soil is a thin layer of material covering the earth's surface and is formed by the weathering of rocks. Means erosion of rocks. Weathering of rocks means erosion of rock. When the process of erosion of rocks then form the soil. Then what is the composition of soil? Composition of soil contain minerals, soil, organic matter, living organism, gas and water. Then minerals are also divided into three things. These are the clay, slate and sand. And soil is uppermost layer of the earth. Then soil pollution. Soil pollution. Soil pollution means any undesirable change in physical, chemical, biological characteristics of soil can cause harmful effect on ecosystem or human health. Any undesirable change in physical properties of soil, chemical properties of soil and biological properties of soil means its color, texture, then its ability to water hold its abilities like water holding capacity, if they are changed, these are the harmful to the ecosystem and harmful to the human health. Then another definition of soil pollution is a soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemical in soil in high concentration to pose a risk to human health and ecosystem. Means minimum amount of toxic chemicals present in soil, but if the concentration become increasing of the toxic chemicals and the increasing amount of toxic chemicals and its concentration, it is bad to human health and our ecosystem. And soil pollution is one of the major pollution problem of the developing and developed countries. Many reasons for the soil pollution. Main features that rise of the human population. Main source of the soil pollution is rise of human population, because human population goes on increasing, the need of humans are also increasing, and because of the fulfill of the need, the human are developed many industries and many all things to increase the human pollution. And the because of the pollution, the reasons of pollution like urbanization, expansion of industrialization, intensive agricultural practices, increased use of agrochemicals, and because of it the pollutant mix with the soil and the form the land pollution or the soil pollution. Land or soil pollution is also due to the accumulation of garbage, debris, solid waste in the area, and it increase day by day or year by year, and this waste create a public health problem. So soil pollution is a major problem because of the population explosion. And because of the population explosion, all things are expands like industrialization, intensive agricultural practices, increase the agrochemicals because of the unexpected yield of the crop because of natural fertilizers. So farmers use a chemical fertilizers, and these chemicals are accumulated in soil, and when it is accumulated in soil they are transferred to trophic level, they accumulate, they bioamplify, they biomagnification to the successive trophic level. So soil pollution is the problem to the public health and our ecosystem. So soil pollution, many sources of soil pollution like industrial waste, urban waste, agricultural waste, household waste, metallic waste, these all are the sources of the soil pollution. Here is some pictures of the soil pollution. First one is industrial waste, soil pollution, urban waste, then household waste, agricultural waste. Because of this waste, the soil will be polluted because of this waste. Another example of the another source of the soil pollution is a smelting or mining. Then we are going to see one by one source. Industrial and urban waste. Industrial and urban waste. The main source of land and soil pollution are industries. Industries like paper and pulp industry, power heating plants, oil refineries, iron steel plants, pharmaceutical industry, paint manufacturing industry, oil refineries, then heating plants, metallurgical industry, plastic and rubber producing industry. All types of industry produce the soil pollution, because all these industry emit the many harmful pollutants and they get accumulated into the soil, and because of this accumulation soils are polluted. So each and every industry play role to the soil pollution. Then sources of soil pollution is a urban waste, and urban waste include domestic waste as well as a commercial waste. Domestic kind of waste include dried sludge and sewage, and all urban waste known as a refuse. Refuse contain garbage, means household waste, waste papers, broken glasses, metallic cans, plastics, nylon items, polythene bags. All these are all metallic scrap, or these are the pollutants to the soil, because most of these are not degraded or not reused. So it produce the soil pollution. Then next one is agricultural waste chemicals. In mainly the fertilizer or pesticides are the used for the crop production or to maintain the healthy crop. Fertilizer is used for the increased soil fertility, and pesticides are used for the to control the pest or arrest the growth of the pest. These are the main role of the fertilizer and the pesticides. But nowadays the soil conditioners, fumigants and other chemicals agents are used. These chemicals are used in nowadays common in agriculture, because these agents are effective to produce alteration in both agriculture as well as the horticulture land to enhance the production of crop. But the organic compound contain lead, mercury, arsenic, and it accumulate in soil, and these are the heavy metals, and these are the heavy metals are very complicated to the human health, because if it get mixed with the blood or the hemoglobin, these are the most adverse effect on the human health. So it is a harmful pollutant into the soil because of the using of the fumigants or chemical agent for the agricultural purposes. Cattle farming and poultry farming. Cattle farming and poultry farming, it is used, cattle farming or poultry farming is increased due to the rise of population, and it also produce soil and land pollution, because the waste from the cattle shed have increased to a huge extent in past 3 decades. The waste are dumped on the same land, and its presence of moisture and watery substances, they undergo degradation. Because of this degradation, the area land is good for the flies, rat, and which carries pathogenic organisms like bacteria, fungus, virus and protozoans. And because of this decomposition process, produce foul odor and serious health problem is caused. Main serious health problem is due to the these biological agents like flies, rat, bacteria, fungus and viruses, and these are occur due to the degradation process or decomposition process. We all are know the decomposition process require oxygen, and they produce a foul odor. This foul odor also causes a serious health problem to the human being. Another source of the soil pollution is a household or domestic or municipal waste. Household waste means always garbage, vegetable scrap, toys, plastic pieces, cosmetic containers, glass item, waste paper, metallic container, etc. And these are the solid waste, and the most of these items are those which cannot be reused, and all these waste collected in buckets by municipal person door to door and dumped in barren place as help to refuse, because but the waste is become shelter to rat, flies, bacteria, fungi, and it also produce the soil pollution. In more way, it also produce air pollution. Then this household or domestic or municipal waste is also increasing day by day because of the population explosion, and these are the harmful because some of these atoms are not reused or not degraded. Plastics are also not degraded, some plastics are not reusable. These are produce the soil pollution and many health problem to the ecosystem or human. Then another example is a metallic source of soil pollution is a metallic scrap soiling the smelting and mining areas. But what is the mining areas? Mining, what is the mining? Mining is the process or industry of obtain coal or other minerals from a mine. And the smelting is the extraction of metal from its ore by a process involving heating and melting. And because of these the processing steps, these area are polluted by scrap of metal, then scrap of the mines, and because metal like cadmium, zinc, lead, copper, arsenic, nickels, and these are the heavy metals and these are the danger for the ecosystem and the human health. And when these toxic compounds are come in contact with soil, they act as a phytotoxic. They produce a phytotoxic effects because the source is also included in industrial waste, or resource is also included in the industrial waste because these are the also industries, smelting industry, mining industry. The another source of the soil pollution is the radioactive materials. The radioactive materials also responsible for the soil pollution and they affect the soil quality because of the radioactive materials. Another source is a biological agents. The night soil of human beings and excreta of animals, birds are a major source of soil pollution because biological agents in the night soil like bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoans. Sewage sludge is used as a manure because sewage and sludge is used as a manure is also responsible for pollution of soil. In developing countries, intestinal parasites contribute to occurrence of a soil pollution because intestinal parasite having two habitat, soil as well as a human intestine. Because of this, they are occurrence of a soil pollution. Excreta, faulty sanitations, accumulation of wastewater in agriculture also causes soil pollution. Because of the water is used in agriculture, the wastewater bacteria and these pathogens are accumulated in the crops, and because of its accumulation, when the man is consume these contaminated vegetables, they also get biomagnification or bioamplification in human body. So these biological agents are the main source of the soil pollution. Pathogenic organism excreted by man, like the main example is a Ascaris lumbricoides produces ascariasis disease because ascariasis lived in human intestine and ascariasis egg are passed through the feces, and if it is deposited into soil, they transmit it to the vegetable and again enter into the human body. Then because of this shows two habitat of the two habitat of ascaris like human intestine as well as a soil. Then pathogenic organism excreted by animal. The pathogenic organism also excreted by animal. The best example is a Toxoplasma gondii. The pet cat the cat carries the Toxoplasma gondii pathogen. Then these organisms transmitted to man through the contact with soil contaminated with the excreta of infected animal. Means the soil is contaminated with excreta of infected animals. The infected animal excreta soil, when the pathogens are entered through the crop or through the water sanitations, improper water sanitation. The example is a Toxoplasma gondii. Then another source of the bacterial source is the pathogenic organism found naturally in the soil. but why it is naturally and how it is naturally found in the soil? Because contact with the infected soil pathogenic organism transmitted to the man, and main source or main reason of soil contamination is insanitary habitat of people has result in repetition of the cycle of the infection with soil transmitted pathogen. Means improper sanitation is the main reason of continuous cycle of pathogen or continuous cycle of life cycle of the pathogen because of improper sanitation. Because human feces have a high fertilizer value, so feces are cleared from latrines and septic tanks and deposited into the land, but the fecal matter is contaminated with pathogen and it transmitted to the man. And wastewater also used for the fulfill the need of the irrigation, and due to this crop and soil also polluted, and because of it number of diseases are caused by bacteria which get transmitted from man to soil or soil to crop, crop to man, and this cause disease like bacilli, dysentery, cholera, typhoid fever. And flies are carrier of germs. Then flies also known as a manager. So because of the flies is carrier of germ and they produce many diseases. These are the sources of the soil pollution and the definition of soil pollution. In today's lecture we finish the definition of soil pollution and sources of soil pollution. So today I stop here. Thank you.